Why I went into neuroscience was really the mystery about understanding yourself. And I think a very big part of us always think about, why do I have to sleep? But when we started the sleep research, we know nothing about it. And what we found was that sleep actually have a very distinct biological function, and that is a housekeeping function. The glymphatic system is basically a waste removal system that starts as soon as we fall asleep. It cannot work when we awake. It is like a dishwasher you turn on when you fall asleep. This happens within a few minutes. Fluid flows into your brain and literally flushes any kind of dirt that are present in between the cell out. And if you don't sleep, it doesn't get flushed out. Before we introduced the glymphatic system, it was believed that Alzheimer's disease was basically a biochemical process where protein just accumulate. And that is totally correct. What we're saying is that it's because of slowing of fluid transport and accumulation of these proteins that would on very long term cause the dementia we know. What the glymphatic system added to the field is it opens new opportunity to start to think about treating and preventing the diseases. Because now we can say fluid flow is actually super important. How do we manipulate that?
Some of the reasons that Maika's work is able to happen at the University of Rochester relate to the very collaborative environment we have. So her work exemplifies transdisciplinary research. How do we do science at the intersection of disciplines? Because that's where innovation happens. By bringing collaborators together, she's able to do work that nobody else can do.
What I really appreciated is the range of knowledge that exists at the university. That I can just take the phone book and call a world expert in fluid dynamic, and then actually being able to not only collaborate with the person, but extended support by the university. The study of the human brain is amazing. It drives our students, it drives us every day we come in. And what the university is doing is really supporting that curiosity. It also facilitates the collaboration that is so needed for really making an impact. We need multiple levels of expertise to ask the really big question, and that is certainly possible here.